Assalamu alaikum, and I'm Mohammed Burnawi from grade 8A, and today I'm going to talk about Introduction to Access 2016. First of all, Microsoft Access is a database management system, DBMS, from Microsoft that combines the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tools. Database and Database Management System, DBMS, helps you handle a larger data semantic. It organizes collection of data. It arranges the information in such a way that any specific information can be easily accessed. Microsoft Access is an information management tool or relational database that helps you store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. Access can also overcome the limitation found when trying to manage large amounts of information in Excel or other spreadsheet applications. It can also import or link directly to data stored in other applications and databases. What's new for Microsoft Access 2016? Number 1, new themes and templates. Number 2, larger show table dialog. Number 3, query box easily locate access tools and features. Number 4, ability to export linked data source information to Excel. And thank you for listening.